Next.js installation setup in VS Code using for React web framework. Desktop, anyone your favorite browser, open Google search box lo Node.js download, enter key press, nodejs.org download, first link click, Node official redirectory web page, complete display, download Node.js section lo scroll down, first one Windows installer MSI file, first button click, download section lo Node latest version 24.11.0-x64.msi file downloading process start, file size 30.7 MB, wait and here, downloading process completing, process completed, browser minimize, desktop file explorer document open, left side downloads folder lo Node.js setup file display, select, mouse double click, download folder minimize, welcome to the Node.js setup wizard window lo second button, next click, end user license agreement window lo bottom side, I accept the terms in the license agreement, left side box tick mark set, mouse left click, third button, next click, destination folder, install Node.js 2, local disk C, program files folder, newly created folder, Node.js installation path display, in case change the another one drive or folder, change button click, unnecessary, second button, next click, custom setup, Node.js installed features display in box, fourth button, next click, tools for native modules section lo chocolatey tool, unnecessary, skip this option, second button, next click, ready to install Node.js window lo second button, install click, Node.js window lo first button, yes click, installing Node.js, please wait while the setup wizard install Node.js, status lo copying new files, Node.js package manager related files, completed the Node.js setup wizard window lo finish button click, installation completed, next Windows search box lo CMD type, first option command prompt, select, command prompt shell window open, browser reopen, new tab click, search box lo next.js, enter key press, official link first section to display, next.js.org, first link click, next.js official web page, complete display, the React framework for the web, bottom side two buttons display, first one get started button click, left side second option installation click, installation page lo mouse scroll down, create with the SLI section lo right side copy icon click, browser minimize, command prompt shell window lo copied command paste here, keyboard shortcut key Ctrl V space, enter the directory name, next js project space yes, enter key press, OK to proceed, Y key press, keyboard lo Y key press, enter key press, installing dependencies packages, first one React, second one React to DOM, next third installing div dependencies, installing div dependencies packages, TypeScript, type node, types node, third one types React, fourth types React DOM, tailwind CSS / post CSS, next tailwind CSS, next ESLint config next, complete packages installation process start, wait and here until process completing. After installation completed, added packages. Found vulnerabilities. Success created Next.js -project folder. Path display. Local disk C, users PC, Next.js project. CMD command prompt window close. Windows search box no VS Code IDE enter. Visual Studio Code IDE interface maximize. Welcome page close. Download folder open. Left side this PC select. First one new vacancy select open. Users folder select open. First one PC folder select open. Created folder Next.js project select. Drag and drop VS Code. Left side Explorer window lo created folder display related modules and packages. Second one app. Left side expand icon click. Fourth one page.tsx file select. Top section lo terminal menu click. First one new terminal click. Created folder path display in terminal window. Left side command prompt set npm space run space div. Enter key press. Local host keyboard lo control key press and mouse left click. Browser open. Next.js browser minimize. Complete script remove. H1 tag Chari Tech Info Warangal. File menu click. Save option click. Terminal window lo localhost link click. Chari Tech Info Warangal.